how to convert TikTok videos to GIF. So if you want to convert your TikTok videos to GIF, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and now after opening your TikTok, choose any video that you would like to convert it to GIF. And after choosing, you can go to the share option, which is on the bottom right corner, and after tapping on the share, just scroll right side and you will have an option which says share as GIF. You can tap on that, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now you can tap on create video sticker, and now you have to choose the video, and after choosing, after cropping the video, you can tap on next, which is on the upper right corner, and now you can simply tap on create sticker. And that's it. That's how you create your sticker or your GIF. And now if you want to share or send it to your friends, you can simply tap on send to friends. And that's it. That's how you convert your TikTok videos to GIF. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.